Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World, and today we got some awesome watch faces for you. We want to give thanks to Jackie for the heads up on this one, and this is what I'm talking about, the community. I love my community. I love my subscribers. Thank you all for all the love you always show on this channel. With that, let's check out these awesome free watch faces that you can find in the Gear Manager store. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got some awesome free watch faces. We got 3 in all. Now, I don't know what the limit is going to be on these. Now, it's been said that there may not be no time limit, but I'm telling you, whatever you do, download these right after the video. Cool? With that being said, let's check out watch face number 1. This one is called Lino in 10. Pretty much, you can customize this watch face to 10 different colors. We're going to show you that in a bit, but for right now, let's take a look at the watch in always on mode, and I'm telling you, this one looks super slick. SSOM, I'm telling you, this guy always create awesome watch faces, right? So now, when the watch face is on, what you're going to get up at the top in this dial is going to be your goal completed so far as your steps is concerned. You come down, you're also going to get info on your heart rate, miles walked or ran, your calories burned. You come down, you're going to get information on your battery life. I'm liking the look of this watch face. I mean, look at the design, look at the numbers on the side. Very creative, very unique. So I like what this guy brought to the table with this watch face, and it is interactive, right? So you can tap on certain parts of the watch face. You can find my phone. You can tap right here. You can go into calories burned. You can tap right here. Also, you can set an alarm. Just tap here, and it's going to give us, come on, going to give us our music. So you can tap in different areas of the watch, and you can bring up different applications. I'm telling you, this thing is super nice. You got to download this one right away in the Gear Manager store. Again, the name of this watch face is called Lino in 10, and here are the colors. I'm going to tap right here, double tap, and I can change the color of the watch face to 10 different colors. I'm telling you, this guy got down on this one. Very nice look for any occasion. This watch face can be played. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this one. We're going to check out watch face number 2. And watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is awesome. Now, number 2 has a 3D effect, which means that the realism of this watch face pretty much almost looks real. Now, the name of the watch face is called Hipster in 3 blue. We did one of the red one, but this one is awesome. I'm liking the look of these dials. I even like the look in the always on mode. I thought the creator definitely got down on this one. But let's take a look at the watch face when it's on, right? This looks like a real traditional watch face. At the top, you get the month and the date. You come down, you get 3 dials. That looks awesome. Circled in blue. The inside of them are pretty much white. Now, right here, you're going to get info on your heart rate. The one next to it, it's going to give you battery info. And down at the bottom, this one here, it's going to give you calories burned. Now, I'm loving the look of this watch face. Again, the realism is what's really getting me. Here, you got step info. You also got calories burned. I mean, it is interactive. I'm liking this look. I mean, I could tap here. I can get information on my weather. I could tap here. I could get my music. I can tap here, get information on my heart rate, and so on and so on. I'm telling you, the creator got down on this one. This one is one you can wear dress up or dress down. I'm loving it. And if I double tap in the center, I can change the theme look at this watch face. Look at the indexes going around the bezel of the watch. I'm telling you, that one looks nice as well. The developer, great job. I'm going to give this developer 4 thumbs up on this one. He really created a real nice timepiece. Let's check out watch face number 3. Watch face number 3. Now, SSOM went all out with this one. This is a nice casual watch face, everyday watch face, right? Now, the name of the watch face is called Electro3. In always on mode, it's going to pretty much look the same. It's just going to be in a blacked out smoke tank kind of look. But when the watch face is on, you get everything you can ever need out of a watch face. Up at the top, it's going to give you a month, your date. It's also going to give you your heart rate information in the middle. And you come down, you get your digital PM time. And you come down some more, you get all your step status info, miles walked or ran, your steps, calories burned, floors climbed, things of that nature. You come down and you got shortcuts, right? You come down a little further, you got battery percentage and your goal completed. I completed 109%. I think that is okay. Now let's see. Is it inactive? Yeah, not bad, right? Weather, you got your music, you got what is this? Find my phone. You also got alarm. You also can go into settings. I'm telling you, the developer got down on this one. You go into information on your step status. Listen, I am definitely impressed by this developer. And if I double tap, I can change the color of the watch. And I'm telling you, you got so many different colors to change to. If I'm not mistaken, 18 in all. Yes, I said 18 different color combinations in all. Listen, make sure you go download all these watch faces today. There's no telling how long these are going to be free. The developer can change his mind tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, next year. Listen, download now. All right, you all, I just wanted to give you this information. Didn't want you to miss out on it. Go. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. I'm going to say it one more time. Please hit the like button on the way out. And again, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.